Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make chicken habanero bites. Let's get started. I am taking 250 grams of minced chicken. Then adding 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 2 tablespoons of chopped onions, and mix them well. Then add salt as per your taste and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Now I am going to add grinded 1 large habanero. If you like to add more spicy to your bites, you can add more habanero. I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil and then I am going to mix all the ingredients. After some mixing, then I am going to add 1 tablespoon of flour. Then it's time to mix all the ingredients well. Applied some oil to my hand to avoid mixture stick into my hands. Then I am making round ball shapes. It is better if you make small sizes. Later when you frying them, it will be easy for you. At this moment I would like to know from which country you are joining with us, to send you a special greetings in the next recipe. Now it's time to prepare the coating. For this I am adding 1/2 cup of water to 1 large egg and mix them. You need 1 cup of flour and 1 cup of bread crumbs for the coating. First soak the prepared balls in egg mixture and then add coating of flour. And soak again in the egg mixture. Then finally breadcrumbs coating. Repeat this for all your prepared chicken balls. Now we are on the final stage of the preparation. First heat up oil in the pan. Here I am using bamboo stick as gauge. When bubbles starts appearing, oil is ready for frying. Now add prepared chicken balls into the frying pan and fry them until color changes to golden brown. Now our spicy chicken habanero bites are ready to taste. Thank you for watching the recipe till the end. I hope you like the recipe. Tell if this is the first time you see my recipe. If so, don't forget to follow me on Facebook or YouTube. Thank you.